In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho Mail to MailerLite. So if you're using a Zoho Mail and want to connect it with MailerLite, this tutorial will guide you through the process. By integrating Zoho Mail with MailerLite, you can send email campaigns more efficiently using your professional email address. So first, log into your Zoho Mail admin console. And now, on the left side, navigate the Mail settings and then Tools and Configurations. Now, as you can see in here, locate the SMT and IMA app settings for your account. So, after that, go to MailerLite here, log in your credentials, and click Settings or the account settings on the left side, and then click the domain. And as you can see in here, my account here in MailerLite is under verification. So, before all of the process on how to connect it with Zoho Mail, you need to verify your account. So assumingly we have a verified account here in MailerLite. So when you click the domain, you will see the add domain and enter your Zoho Mail domain. And then MailerLite will provide DNS records. And then after that, copy that and log into your Zoho Mail admin console and navigate to DNS settings and email authentication. And then add the provided SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to your domains. And wait for the domains or DNS propagation. And click verify domain in MailerLite once your records are updated. After that, you can send a test email, and that's it. That's how you connect Zoho Mail to MailerLite for professional email marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.